Guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Din and I'm going to show you how to prepare your ingredients, mix the spices and then cook the dish. Very simple method I'm going to use, so please follow the instructions carefully. So let's cook. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Chef Din and today I've got this delicious recipe for you. And as you know, it's important that you get everything ready before you start. So I'm going to use two onions for this, and as you can see, I've chopped it up to save time. And let's cook. This is a really rich and flavoursome curry. I'm using a shoulder of lamb. Get your butcher to chop it up and get it ready for you. And as you can see, I've put a couple of bay leaves, about 7 cardamom pods, cinnamon stick, and some garlic and ginger paste. Now if you don't know how to make garlic and ginger paste, I have this on my recipe on my channel basically. It will show you how to make garlic and ginger paste. Very easy. You can make it in advance and make a lot of it and then put it in ice cube containers and freeze it. So when you need one, you can take one out. And this is roughly about 25 grams, the little paste cubes. So I've used just over one block, and I'm adding about 2 teaspoons of salt to this, so it'll give it a nice flavour. It's so important, salt, because if you don't add enough, you won't get the flavour of the curry. It's just simple as that. I'm adding some tomato puree here, which is basically tin tomato I'm using, because I didn't have any fresh tomato, but you can use fresh tomato. If you're using fresh tomato, use a couple of fresh tomatoes and let it cook and take off the skin if you don't like that. But now I'm adding my shoulder of lamb. What I've done is stewed the onions for maybe about 15 minutes or so, and what that does is kind of breaks the onions down a little more before we add the meat, because lamb, as you know, doesn't take too long to cook. Right, this is looking really good. The curry is breaking down, and it's so important at this stage as well that you taste your salt levels and your heat levels as well, because this gives you the opportunity to add more chili if you wish, to make it a little bit hotter and get the taste exactly as you would like. So at this stage as well, I'm going to also add some water because I can see that it's getting a little bit dry, and one thing I don't want is for it to burn, because when you've come this far, that's the last thing you want, is for the curry to burn. So always keep an eye on it. Right, as you can see, the meat is a little bit tender, not too much. So now is the time we're going to add our spices. So here goes the turmeric. As you can see on the right left hand side, I've got a list of the spices. I put enough chili to make it like a Madras heat. I put the cumin, the coriander goes in now, and also paprika to give it a nice colour as well. So give that a stir as well. Now we have to really cook those spices out. So we've got just enough water to do this, as you can see. So just keep stirring. We're going to now break up the onions even more at this stage. So we have a nice, rich, kind of non-lumpy sauce. Now I didn't have any lemon juice, so I'm going to add a little bit of vinegar just to kind of combat that heat a little bit. I'm putting potatoes in. Now you can add any vegetable you like at this stage. If you like cauliflower, put some cauliflower, or broccoli, whatever you like. I like potatoes. It's one of my favourite vegetables in a curry. So I've put some new potatoes which are perfect for this dish. But if you like carrots even, you can put carrots. Now I'm going to put the water. You add water to the thickness you want. So if you want it really thick, then add less water. But remember, the potatoes will take some of that water. So add enough water to compensate that as well. So I've put in a cup and probably about quarter now. And I'm going to give this a good stir. As you can see, the sauce is really broken up well, and I'm tasting it. Check the salt content as well. So now basically I'm going to put a lid on it and let it simmer for at least 25 minutes. This is a very easy recipe to cook. All my curries are easy to cook. All you need to do is make sure you got the ingredients, everything ready. Put the spoon through the potato like this, and you know the potato's cooked, the curry is cooked as well. So everything is ready. Now all you need to do is basically cook the rice. What? You haven't cooked the rice yet? You should cook the rice while you're cooking the curry. That way everything is ready at the same time. So this is my recipe of shoulder of lamb. I hope you enjoy it, and I hope you enjoy cooking this dish. And let me know in the comments what you think. So thanks for watching. I'm about to serve this and basically have it for my dinner today. Thanks for watching, and I bid you goodbye.